Mambo Rafiki, karibu tena katika channel yangu. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your friend Robert. I'm super excited to bring you some Swahili cuisine today. Now actually today I'll be trying some Somali Chapati. That looks good. Tanzanian Chapati. Man, if you are Swahili, you know this already. You can go out your morning without having a chapati. Now you're talking about Kenyans, you're talking about Tanzanians, you're talking about Somalis. Oh my goodness. Today I couldn't really resist myself and I was like, hey man, I gotta do a video about chapati comparison. A Somali chapati, a Tanzanian chapati. If you're looking at these two, you can tell that they all look kind of similar. And of course, I gotta have my beans to go with my chapati. And let's go ahead and get started. Somali chapati is the Tanzanian chapati. This chapati actually is huge. It's full of layers, and of course, very soft too. Look at that. Kind of chewy, and it's layered too. Oh, nothing like black tea. Coconut, beans, cooked with some tomatoes, those onions, and green pepper. It smells really good too. Cheers. Man, oh man. Alright, Maragate. An enormous one. Well seasoned, the sauce. It's very thick. Let's switch gears and look at the Tanzanian Chapati. Oh man, this thing is soft too. I like the color. I like the shape of it too. You can see this one also is very layered. Oh man, I like the color too. They all look the same. Let me try the Tanzanian Chapati with just the tea. Oh man. That's insane. Tea chapati na chambuka. Multi-million layers of chapati here on my plate. Alright, so the Tanzanian chapati with some coconut, curry, sauce, stew, whatever you want to call it. This reminds me of Dar es Salaam. That's so perfect. I like the aroma of this Tanzanian chapati actually. I can tell that it's cooked with some ghee. Very distinctive, buttery flavor. It does have a balance as well of salt, as well as a little bit of sugar. Perfect. Similar in so many ways, and they're very tasty. Cheers. If I have to sit here and eat all these chapatis, man, I won't be able to get up. There you go. The way, Tanzanians, Somalis make their chapatis, all similar. Their ingredients, flour, sugar, salt, And then the final product is this. The shaping of the chapati, texture. There you go. I hope you find this video interesting, and for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I appreciate the support. Till next time, keep tuning in for more awesome food. And eat more chapati. Somali chapati, Tanzanian chapati. They're all great.